Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss two exciting and rapidly growing fields: machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that can learn from data. This means that the algorithms can improve their performance over time as they learn from previous examples. Machine learning is used in a wide variety of applications, from predicting weather patterns to analyzing consumer behavior. Its ability to draw conclusions from data without being explicitly programmed to do so makes it a powerful tool for improving efficiency and decision-making in both commercial and research applications. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is a broader field that encompasses machine learning and other approaches to computer programming and automation. AI focuses on the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. While AI is often associated with robots and virtual assistants, it also has significant potential applications in areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. The two fields are closely interconnected, as machine learning often serves as the foundation for creating more complex AI systems. For example, deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, is used in a variety of AI applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and voice recognition. In conclusion, machine learning and artificial intelligence are transformative technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. As these fields continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting applications and innovations in the near future.